Ladies and gentlemen, the Frisco ISD at Frisco High School, proud to present the award-winning 2010 Frisco High School Marching Band. Saturday, the band is under the field direction of drum majors Kelly Cortez, Jennifer Hayes, and Sarah Herod. This year's show is entitled La Chavita. It includes music from Mesquite Frisco Lorraine, King de Loma, and Zolatra's Conte Partido. And now, here they are, the pride of Frisco, your Frisco High School Marching Band. Ladies and gentlemen, FISD administrators would like me to announce that there has been lightning strikes within a 10-mile radius. I have been advised to ask the band to leave the field. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been further advised to ask anyone in the stands to please move towards cover.
So that was probably the most interesting halftime show that I've ever been a part of. Obviously, rain was pouring down on the drums here. It was like a pool filled with water, and whenever we would hit this, hit the heads with the sticks, like water would splash up in the faces all over the place. It was very interesting. I don't think that hasn't happened in a very, very long time. Like certainly before I was in high school. So. Yeah, it was fun. I hope it never, ever happens again.
Hey, who's the spokesperson?
Avery. Oh, is this a video? Take it away.
Okay, tell us about that halftime show.
Well, it was very wet.
Well, I thought that right as we started, water was coming down as hard as possible. And the second we started playing the opening tenor break, just water was going everywhere. And really it was a wet experience from the get-go.
So our ponchos didn't really help. We didn't march, we stood in place. And so it didn't really rain on Centennial, it rained a lot on us. It kind of sucked, but it was also fun. And now there's lightning, and we don't know what's going on.
Okay, as we all know, the theme of the show is Nicholas Acts. So, we normally have but instead I just chose to put on a blue tarp instead of all these white ones. So yeah, it was still cool. I got to stand out.
We didn't march and we didn't do any visuals, so it was kind of different. And it was wet and I couldn't see. But other than that, it's pretty cool.